Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how to install Pixel Experience ROM if you already have Lineage OS 15.1. If you don't have Lineage OS 15.1 or do you have any other ROM, then you can install or flash treble TWRP recovery for this. So we'll just flash into TWRP recovery. The latest version of TWRP recovery is 3.2.3/1. So this is the interface for TWRP. We got the install button and the wipe button. So we need to wipe and format the data. So we'll click format data. Then you need to type in yes to format and to remove the encryption on the internal storage, and now it will format the data. So format is done. Now we'll go back and use advanced wipe. So click on advanced wipe, click Dalvik Auth Cache, then system vendor, then data, then cache. So don't include the internal storage, otherwise your internal storage will also be wiped again. So just need to swipe to wipe, then it will be done within few seconds. Yeah, it's done. Then we press back, then go back again, then press on the install button. So this is the internal storage. We'll go into the micro SD card. So I got a 32 GB micro SD card, and here it is, the ROM file, the Pixel Experience file. We don't need Gapps for this application. We'll just press on it and swipe to confirm flash. It will take some time for flashing this file, and this Pixel Experience is a CAF based ROM. So the CAF based means all the processor that is made by Qualcomm, they post on the CAF forum. So in that the Qualcomm SoC or the processor's source code is put up so the developers can use it, and it is a more optimized form of a ROM compared to AOSP. So it will have much more greater performance in the CAF based ROMs. So it's a very good ROM. We can use it, Pixel Experience. I was using Lineage OS 15.1. It was a very good OS as well, or the ROM as well. But I've heard many people use this Pixel Experience now, so I tried it out today. So we are installing it, and first it will patch the system image, then we need to patch up the system will patch up the vendor image as well. So we'll wait for it. Now the patching of vendor image is being done, and it's finally done. So we need to reboot. So we'll go back to the home, then reboot, and then system. So this process usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. So in this process it will load up the first time boot up with the Google image logo, and it's totally a Pixel Experience UI with all the features and all the fonts of Pixel as well. So you'll get the total experience of Pixel phones that you usually get on Google Android phones, and you can use those features on your Redmi Note 4. We got many developers, those who are developing for Android Pie. So as we know, Android Q is also out now, so probably within few months, we hope so, that we'll get Android Q on Redmi Note 4. So here we are in the setup file or the startup page of Pixel Experience. I'll select my Wi-Fi Maple here. I'll just enter the password. I entered the password, it's obtaining the IP address, and it will go into the next page after connection, checking for updates now. Okay, so I gotta copy my apps and data from my cloud storage, that is Google, so I'll press the next button, a backup from the cloud. I need to log in through my Google account so I can access my backup that was stored in the cloud. So just give me a second to log in to my Google account. Yeah, I logged into my Google account. It's getting the account information. It will show you how many apps you have, the call history, and all the data that you require, and the backup that you want, the backup version as well. So this is all that I need. I'll just press restore, then it's restoring. That process will be in the background, and I usually keep it on, and I usually switch off the location service accept, then unlock with fingerprint. I'll just add the finger pattern as well. Fingerprint. Now the ambient sensor is working in this. Okay, draw your pattern again, continue, then touch the sensor. Okay, I'm going to use the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint is added. I'll add the another one. Enrollment was not complete. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so I usually don't use Google Assistant. Anything else? No thanks. Adding the finishing touches. Okay, so here we are in the Pixel Experience ROM for Redmi Note 4, and it is a CAF based, and it's a very good ROM that I see right now. I've heard many good reviews about it. So let's see, and portable storage here, and SD card is ready. So we'll go into the notification. So all the completing setup is going to happen from my cloud service, and we'll go to the setting and about phone, system, then advanced, about phone, and yeah, this is my Android version. Android version is 9.0, so the latest one with the latest security patch as well. System updates, so this is the newest version of Pixel Experience. As we see, no updates available. So a big thanks to Aryan, who is maintaining this ROM for Redmi Note 4 community, and we hope that he will come up with new updates for this phone. If you learned something new from this channel, so give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bells on so that you know that new videos are coming up.